Hey, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome videos. It really motivates me to keep creating content like this. Okay, be honest. Have you ever looked at one of those IELTS listening map questions and thought, what even is this place? Where am I supposed to go? Yeah, I've been there too. It's confusing at first, but here's the thing. There's actually a super simple skill that helps you solve those questions way faster. It's not grammar. It's not tricky vocabulary. It's something you probably already use every day. Locational prepositions. Yep, those little words like next to, behind, opposite. They're tiny, but they can totally change your score. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use them to crush map questions. Stick with me. This one's a game changer. So let's set the scene. Part 2 of the listening test. You're listening to a person give directions. Maybe it's a campus tour or someone explaining a floor plan. They'll say something like, go past the post office, turn left at the cafe, and the museum is opposite the library. If you don't catch words like past, left, opposite, you're toast. You might understand everything else, but still pick the wrong answer. That's why these prepositions matter. Once you know how to hear them and picture them, it's like having your own little GPS during the test. All right, let's run through the top 8 locational prepositions you need to know. Just imagine I'm standing beside a little cartoon map and pointing at each building. Next to, right beside something. Like, the bookstore is next to the coffee shop. They are neighbors. Opposite, directly across from something. The bank is opposite the library. They are staring at each other across the street. Behind, at the back. The car park is behind the supermarket. Hidden in the back alley, basically. In front of, the opposite of behind. The bus stop is in front of the post office. Between, in the middle of two things. The ATM is between the cafe and the bakery. Like a little preposition sandwich. At the corner of, where two roads meet. The pharmacy is at the corner of King Street. Near, close to. This one's vague, but good. It just means in the area. Like, not too far. On the left or right of, direction stuff. The cinema is on the left of the museum. Don't mix this one up. Left and right are sneaky under pressure. All right, that's the lineup. Now let's test how well you've been listening. Okay, here's your first challenge. No cheating. Listen carefully. The museum is opposite the post office and next to the library. Got it. Picture it. So, what's the answer?
Options are: A is near the post office but not opposite it. B is directly opposite the post office and next to the library. C is behind the post office. D is across the road, but next to a different building, not the library. Let me give you 5 seconds to think for answer. 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
It's B. It's directly opposite the post office and right next to the library. Boom. Let's try another. Go past the cinema. The coffee shop is on your left, just next to the flower store. Answer.
Options are: A is near the cinema, but on the right side. B is behind the cinema, not on the left. C is to the left of the cinema and right next to the flower store. D is far from the cinema and doesn't match either landmark. Let me give you 5 seconds to think for answer. 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
C. To the left of the cinema and right beside the flower store. Last one. The bookstore is at the corner of King Street and opposite the bakery. Got it.
Options are: A is opposite the bakery, but not on the corner. B is on King Street but not at the intersection. C is next to the bakery, not opposite. D is at the corner and faces the bakery directly. Let me give you 5 seconds to think for answer. 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer's D. At the corner, facing the bakery. That's our winner. All right, now let's clear up a few common mistakes, because I've seen a lot of smart students lose points here. First, don't mix up behind and opposite. One's hiding behind the building, the other's waving from across the street. Also, next to doesn't always mean touching. There can be a tiny gap. And big one, orientation. If the map is flipped or rotated, left might suddenly become your right. Happens all the time. Just stay calm and trust the words. Now if you want to level up, like Band 8 level, here are a few pro tips. Before the audio starts, circle key landmarks. Doors, roads, big buildings. While listening, keep your pencil moving. Don't wait till the end to decide. And visualize. If they say, go past the car park and turn right, try to walk it in your mind. Seriously, treat the listening like a mini video game. Just follow the voice like it's giving you missions. Alright, you made it. You've just learned one of the most underrated skills in IELTS listening, mastering prepositions. If this helped you out, do me a favor. Drop a comment saying Map Master so I know you're one of the focused few. And hey, if you want more no-fluff IELTS lessons like this, go hit that subscribe button. Next up, I'll show you how to handle fast audio traps that confuse even native speakers. You're not gonna want to miss it. Catch you there. Hey, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome videos. It really motivates me to keep creating content like this.